Crypto, in every practical sense, has been in the news a ton of late, and it's no big surprise in a significant manner. With the unstable idea of crypto costs, it's not difficult to become involved with the promotion, or so they thought. A great many people truly are centered around the crypto market drifts yet there are really various fascinating business arrangements in the crypto circle, which sort of is genuinely huge. Also, one of them certainly is loaning computerized money, which generally is very critical. That model is executed in Abracadabra.money, an extremely puzzling venture we'll examine today. How about we, in every way that really matters, get into it? Anyway, priorities straight, what fundamentally is Abracadabra.money? Abracadabra.money, or Abracadabra, is an imaginative loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without selling their resources, or so they for the most part thought. The stage is controlled by blockchain innovation and offers straightforward, secure, and easy-to-understand loaning and acquiring administrations. Abracadabra permits clients to generally choose the terms for their credit, including their financing cost, advance span, and insurance necessities. The stage likewise gives a gamble the board framework to safeguard money lenders from defaulting borrowers in an unobtrusive manner. Administration clients can use their computerized resources as guarantee to acquire MIM, or Magic Internet Money, the undertaking's stablecoin fixed to USD, which is genuinely huge. The MIM stablecoin can be traded for USD or some other cryptographic money. MIM's truly current flowing stock in every way that really matters, is over 2.78 billion tokens with a noteworthy market capitalization of $2.77 billion. Fixed to USD, MIM's ongoing truly normal cost as team is around 99 cents. Abracadabra's certainly other truly local token is Spell, which depends on the Ethereum blockchain and fills in as an administration token. An administration pretty token for the most part is a kind of digital currency token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the venture's bearing, which is very huge. Improvement choices, for instance, could be placed to the vote among especially token holders in an especially enormous manner. The more tokens a sort of individual or substance holds, the by and large more weight their vote in a real sense has in an unpretentious way. Along these lines, administration tokens expect to decentralize power away from a little gathering of leaders or engineers and in a real sense give each and every individual who possesses tokens a say in how the undertaking advances. Fundamentally, administration by and large symbolic holders truly are partners. The Abracadabra stage likewise sent off Spell, a minor really token utilized for Spell benefactors' income circulation. Many individuals generally are contemplating whether this present time is the opportunity to put resources into the Spell token in an unpretentious manner. The symbolics cost has been very steady of late, yet when the crypto market was blasting as of late, the Spell Truly token explicitly saw a critical cost rise, which most certainly is very huge. Being a piece of an extremely dim, puzzling task, the Spell token conveys some gamble yet might actually be a productive venture. Spell token price prediction 2022, or so they generally thought. As per the specialized examination of Spell kind of token costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Spell Truly token will be $0.002 and in every way that really matters, enormous way. The greatest level that the Spell cost can essentially reach is $0.002. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.002. Spell Genuinely Token Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Truly Spell token in earlier years, in an every practical sense, is expected that in 2023, the really least cost of explicitly Spell token will be around $0.003. The really most extreme expected in every practical sense, Spell cost might be around $0.003. By and large, the exchanging cost could especially be $0.003 in 2023. Spell Token Price Prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of really Spell token, in 2024, truly spell is supposed to have the accompanying sort of least and truly greatest costs, about $0.004 and $0.005, separately explicitly. The kind of typical expected exchanging cost in every practical sense is $0.004. Spell token price prediction 2025, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of spell kind of token and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the kind of least for the most part spell cost could drop to $0.006, while its greatest can in every practical sense reach $0.007. By and large, the exchanging cost will truly be around $0.006. Spell fundamentally token price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of generally spell token by crypto specialists, the accompanying essentially most extreme and least spell costs in every way that really matters, are normal in 2026, $0.010 and $0.008. Overall, it will basically be exchanged at $0.008. Spell token price prediction 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of for the most part spell token amazingly. In light of their forecasts, the assessed truly normal truly spell cost will be around $0.012. It could drop to a genuinely least of $0.012, however it actually could reach $0.014 all through 2027. Spell token price prediction 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of really spell token, which explicitly is genuinely critical. It truly is assessed that spell will basically be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0.018 and $0.021 in 2028 in a kind of significant manner. Its typical expense truly is normal at around $0.019 during the year in an unpretentious manner. Spell kind of token price prediction 2029. Cryptographic money examiners especially are most certainly prepared to explicitly declare their assessments of the spell token's cost, or so they thought. The year 2029 will not entirely set in stone by the kind of greatest especially spell cost of $0.031, which is very huge. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $0.027, which is very huge. Thus, the really normal exchanging cost is $0.027. Spell all things considered, token price prediction 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the spell essentially